Hey guys, I wanted to show y'all this. I'm at Goodwill. I had donated some stuff and I came across this blue jean little jumper. I think it's super cute. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Now I did notice it was missing a belt though. Can y'all see? Let me see if I can bring y'all down a little bit more. There we go. That is too cute. Now it's $7. I'm trying to think, Sonya, do you really need to get this? It's 100%, well not 100%, it's like 90% cotton. Y'all look at this. This is unique. One of a kind. It's unique, one of a kind like myself. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna play around with it. I wasn't gonna vlog today, but I'm gonna wash this out and we're gonna make us some coffee. This is 18 ounces and this is by Skewlsowt. I'll be right back. Welcome back to my real life vlogs. I wasn't gonna vlog today, but I was like, Sonia, people wanna see you, whether you wanna vlog or not. I have things to do today. I have donations and I need to run to the library to take care of some business. Oh, I lost my thing here. I have to donate, library, take care of some personal business, and I'll probably bring y'all in there for a sneak peek, but we ain't gonna get into the personal business. The hair is hairy. The skin is glowing. How are y'all doing today? How's everybody? But anyway, we're gonna get dressed. I'll show you our outfit today, and then we're gonna go. All right. Cause y'all be asking me what kind of exercises that I do. So these are some of the exercises. I do some of these. I also do these, okay? I also do the back arm, like so, okay? And I also do the squats, like so. So I'm gonna show you, okay? That's how you would do the squats. You just roll it down your leg, okay? And then with these, you can see the formation, okay? So let me finish exercising and I'll get back with you. Outfit of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Athletic wear is what we're wearing today. Okay, got the gray athletic wear pants with the tight fit at the bottom. Gray t-shirt, gray hat. Fragrance of the day. Fragrant of the day. Black woman. We're gonna put on a little bit of, y'all know how it go. Put some on your ankles, and then you're gonna follow it. Missed it? Oh yeah. Let's go. Love it, love it, love it.
Last time I asked for some help that I couldn't give nobody else. Give me what you can handle.
Me, baby. Ooh, all the things. All the things. Today is a good day. Today is a marvelous day. Yes, it is.